Hi kids, I am Koda Boy. In today's class, we will learn about x and y coordinates. It's important to learn this because to move our sprite forwards, backwards, up or down, we need to understand the values of x and y. First, let's select our backdrop to make it easier to understand. Here you can see two lines. An orange line that is horizontal line which is called x coordinate line and another blue line that is vertical line which is the y coordinate line. To understand this better, let's bring in a sprite. Now you can see the default position of the ball. Below it, the x and y values are displayed. For x, it's 89 and for y, it's minus 24. This is the current position of our ball. The point where the x and y lines join is called the origin. Here the value for both x and y is 0. Now here with the x value, you can see there is an arrow which points towards left and right. It indicates that to move left or right, we need to change this value, that is value of x. The arrow next to y points up or down, meaning to move up or down, we need to change the y value. This is how we can change our sprite's position to our desired location. Watch this and practice more about x and y coordinates, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.